So I'm back on the boat again, and I'm just about to put insulation on the bulkheads. So I'm making a template. I have put up the shelves just to make the markings there to be sure. I'm not going to put insulation right there. So I'm making a template for now, and then cut the insulation, put it on, and then put the felt carpets. So let's see how this process is gonna go. It's the icing on the cake. And then of course put the shelves on and the ceiling panels. Okay, done with the insulation and the felt carpets. So what is left now is to put the ceiling panels and the shelves and the frames, of course. But for now, it's time to take a little break. Good job. So far, so good. I'm satisfied. All right, job done. Shelves are on place, both sides, everything. The only thing is missing is the frames that go around in the corners. I will do some other day, but the big job is done. So time to go home. It's dark now, so I just drive home and come back tomorrow or after tomorrow and do the very last things and then tie up. It's a mess in here. Good night for now. Hello there. So I'm back on the boat just to put the final touches. As you see, it's upside down still. So before I start tidying up in here, I have some small things to do, some final touches. So we have these frames here, which they will go in the corners. Just to close it up here, I have to adjust them a bit because after putting the, see, maybe I have to cut them just slightly to make them fit. Yeah, maybe. Over there on the bulkheads, have to touch those and adjust them, and on the top, that goes on the top this way, and on the other side, on the starboard side. So yeah, so that's what I have. I also have some small things like you can see, small things like this. I plan to fill it up with insulation, just a tiny piece of insulation and felt carpet to close it and make it look better. I have a little problem with the ceiling panel there. The screws are not holding. I have to look, maybe put some other screws so I can screw it all the way up and close it. So small things, and then after I have done this, then I will tie up, and then I will move in the cushions in again. So yeah, and it's really warm today. I think it's 26 degrees or something. It's so it's a little warm down below, but I have the front hatch open, so there's a little air coming through. So let's go. So I'm done with the frames on the port side and on the front and on the top and on the starboard side. What's left now? It's we'll have to do some more patch up some places that we didn't do a great job, and I have some reinforcements here, so Macready is gonna help me. She would like to do that. So we're gonna put the insulation in there, and we have a few more places, and then we're gonna put the felt carpet on top. So we're just gonna make it beautiful. In the meantime, I'm gonna start tying up the boat so we can bring the boat back to life again. So I have to wait with this stuff here because lots of this stuff are going under the V-berth and also on the shelves. And I'm afraid that she's still working on patching up the. Show us, what did you do there? In the corner, yeah.
Yes. I try to put it in place.
Yeah, it's going much better. Yeah, we're doing the detail job now here. I mean, I'm not doing it. Macready is doing it, my good friend. And it's amazing. You can just patch up the small places, small corners, and you cannot see it. Look at this. You cannot see it. It's so good, this felt carpet. This material is very easy to work with. So we are done. Are we done?
We're done.
Beautiful. All the small detail patches up now. It's patched up. So what's left now is to bring back the cushions. But first, some nice dinner. Let's make some dinner. So guys, the moment of truth. I have the cushions here. I only have the two big ones. I don't have the side ones, but time to put them in and see how it looks. So I have help here. Here we have the one. Yes. Woohoo! And the other one. Thank you. Moment of truth, they fit just fine, because I was really worrying 10 millimeters on each side how they're gonna fit, but they fit just fine, perfect. They sit very well, perfect. I forgot to bring the ones on the sides here, the smaller ones, but look at it, looks amazing, and I'm glad. So I will tie up and show you how everything looks. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Woo! It's rainy! I just came on the boat. I just managed to put my closure here. Just managed. I got a little wet, but I just managed to put it on. Woo! I just got a bit wet. Woo. All right, the rain has gone. It was just a very, very short shower. The sun is up actually now. So started getting dry already now. And me, I'm just about to start working on the boats. Fix up all this mess. I have to tie it up. In the meantime, I have brought all the cushions. I have tried them. Everything fixed perfect. Little tight, but it's perfect. It looks so good in here. I'm so glad. So let's go start working now. I have to find things to take home and things I have to take the cushions out again, because I have to fill the compartments with various of this stuff I have here. I have to pack them away under the V-berth in the compartments. So let's go. So I'm making a list of what I'm putting in the compartments under the V-berth. Can take lots of things, therefore I won't be able to remember what I'm putting down below here, and it's really not easy accessible because I have to take all the cushions up, and if I have my bed made up here, I have to take the bed away, the cushions up, and then the boards up in order to look there to see if I find what I'm looking for. So therefore I'm making a list, and I'm gonna print out the list and have it at hand whenever I need something. Because lots of things down here, and I keep forgetting what I have. Also, it's nice to have those baskets here. I will avoid to put small things down below, just some big things maybe just laying on the side here. So now after a couple of hours, I think I'm done. I have arranged everything and I made a list, so I know everything where it is in case I need something. So now it's time to move in with the cushions and tie it up around me. So after a couple of hours, it takes time. I'm done. Look at this. The boat back to its life again. Everything is done. Tied up. Beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, I haven't removed the heater. Finally, I decided not to remove it. I will leave it and see as an emergency for the winter. And if you have noticed, if you have seen the videos, I haven't removed the shelves in order to put insulation behind. I decided not to do it. I will see how the winter is gonna be, and if there is a need, then I will have to remove them and add an insulation behind them as well. No insulation on the ceiling, because I don't want to lower the ceiling. No insulation in the ceiling in the V-berth either. But I will see how the winter is gonna be, and I will make decisions and changes next year. But for the moment, I'm done, and I'm just excited that this project is behind me now. I think it took me something like 4 weeks, but I took it very, very slowly. I was not rushing, and it's beautiful. And I'm just gonna be laying here in the winter, not feeling cold. My left side, when I'm laying here, I was cold. So I'm looking forward for the winter sailing, and thank you so much for watching. If you have watched all the parts of the installation, if you have any questions, I mean, I have done it in my own way. One more time again, thank you Peter, thank you Christopher for giving me lots of tips. They have the same boat as mine, and they have done pretty much the same installation I have done on the boat. So it was really helpful to get some tips. Apart from that, everything went fine. I'm so happy for that. I also want to thank my good friend Margrethe, for helping me a lot with the installation. We have spent many hours here. So now it's time to close this chapter behind me and move ahead, and I can do some sailing. Well, I have some other projects coming up not as big project as this one, but you will see in the future. So for now, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or all these parts installation videos, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for now. Bye bye.